welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicola. I'm a mum of two and I make videos about all things lifestyle, motherhood, hauls, vlogs, all that sort of thing. So if you like that sort of stuff, then I'd love it if you would subscribe, and you can do that by clicking the button just down here. I am getting so close to my target of 1,000, and yeah, I would love it if I could get there within the next 2 months. Would be amazing. So yeah, click the little button down there and you can subscribe, and then you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Today I was struggling really with what to film because we've had a really super busy week. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, you should. I'll leave the link down below. But if you do, then you'll know that my children have been so busy. Oh God, arm ache. My children have been so busy this last week. We had 3 music concerts, 1 for Phoebe and 2 for Archie last week, and then Phoebe was involved in a dance show over the weekend, which pretty much took over the whole weekend, and so I didn't get a chance to film anything, and so I was wondering what I could film, something that was quick because I have to work, and something that might be interesting for you to watch. So I decided that I would do something that needed doing, that was also related to work, and that really is something that I've been putting off for a while. Now, if you have watched my channel for a while, you may have seen, I don't know how long ago, maybe 18 months ago, I filmed a home office reorganisation video, and I really changed everything in my office, made it really lovely and a nice place to work. Currently, not looking so lovely and not looking like such a nice place to work, so I am going to tidy it and reorganise it and make it much more conducive to a day's work this morning, and then I will take you along with me and show you what I do. I'll show you what it looks like now to start with. Okay, I'm afraid it's a little bit dark because my office is at the front of the house and all the light is at the back of the house, but this is what it currently looks like. Now, some of you may think it's not that bad, but this is bad for me. So got loads of stuff dumped over here. This is so as you come in our front door, our office is on the left, and this is where we keep coats and shoes and things. So this tends to be a dumping ground. Kids come in. This basket here is supposed to be there to put school bags and work bags and PE kits and things in. It currently houses probably important homework, I should imagine, and a basketball and a cycle helmet. It has wrapping paper here that's fallen on the floor. Archie's violin, which should be in his room. That's my coat, so I can't blame anyone else for that. This is really supposed to be looking pretty, and get loads of stuff just gets dumped up there, so I need to sort that out. Along the top here, this should be in the kitchen. There's a load of other stuff dumped up there, and then here, this was all beautifully organised, and things have just got shoved on the shelves. This is all stuff for my Avon, and down here, this is all Avon books and things. A lot of this can go in the bin. I don't know who, I think this is Phoebe's, I don't know, it might be Archie's actually, I'm not sure. Anyway, that needs to go somewhere else. Yeah, all of this needs sorting. There's a load of gubbins there on the window ledge which needs to be got rid of. And this is where my children decide to watch TV. I mean, this is my Mac, this is where I do my work, and they decide that they would rather watch this and watch YouTube on here than watch it in the playroom, which is perfectly suitable, but they would rather sit here and watch this. It means they can sit and colour or draw or whatever. So this is Phoebe's stuff that's just been left here since this morning before she went to school. Up here, this looks okay, but these are spring posters which need swapping out. So yeah, all in all, I'm not going to tackle these drawers. They're not too bad actually, but I'm not going to bother tackling those today. There's bits down here that needs getting rid of. So yeah, this is currently what it looks like, and it's just not comfortable to sit in. I prefer everything to be sorted and looking neat and tidy. So that is my job for the next 40 minutes. I haven't got that long to spend because I need to get on with some work today, but I want to get it sorted. So I have set myself maybe half an hour to an hour to get this sorted, get stuff chucked away and make it look half decent. So I'm going to set myself a timer, I think, for an hour, and aim to get it done before the timer goes off, and then we'll see how it looks at the end.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are, just the way you are, oh, just the way you are.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. in a gown, barefoot.
And this is the finished result. I think it looks better. I hope it looks better. There's nothing on the floor anymore, yay! And that's all now empty, so kids can put their school bags in there and it won't be overflowing. There's my beautiful chair. And yeah, all the shelves, I mean, they're still got stuff on them. They're always going to be full of stuff because this is my office, and also Andrew shares. This is mostly his stuff here, and some of the bits in here is all his stuff because he doesn't have a workspace either. This is his office too. And yeah, there we go. There's everything. The only thing I didn't really have time to do was change my pictures up here, but I will sort those at some point. No huge urgency for that, but yeah, looks way better. I've got a few bits here which I'm going to show you actually. If you've made it to the end of this video, you are in luck because I think I might do a little giveaway. So if you've been watching my videos for a while, you might already know that I am an Avon lady. I just do it a bit in my spare time, and I enjoy it. It's good fun, and I don't think I'm very good at it in that I don't search for new customers or anything like that. I stick with the ladies I've got and I love it. Anyway, one of the things I'm rubbish at is when somebody orders something and they don't want it, I forget to send it back. I get 3 months to send it back, and I always, well not always, but quite often I forget. So as I was going through my bits on the shelves here, I found quite a few little bits and pieces that people had ordered or that I had received as freebies and have done nothing with. So wondered if you guys might like them. So I thought I would do a little giveaway. I might as well do it as a bundle of stuff, and I will send it to one person. They may not all suit that individual person, but if you win them, you can take out of it what you want and then pass on what you don't want. So what I've got these pyjamas. These are a size 14 to 16, and they're quite small, 14 to 16. The Avon stuff does come up a little bit small. So, but they say let's stay in bed on the front in sort of silver, and then on the back, on the trousers, they've got little Z's all over them, little Z's. So I thought they were quite cute anyway, and I think, in fact, on the bottom, yeah, on the bottom of the top, there's like a frilly bit. You can see it's like a stripy bit. Anyway, so I've got those. I have here, what is this? This is a mini camera head strap, adjustable holder and micro USB cables. It's a little tiny mini camera. You can put it on your dog, or I don't know, give it to your kids. But this is a little tiny mini camera, just a little fun gift that's never been opened. I have here a flawless cream to powder foundation in light ivory. This again has never been used. Let me open it and show you. There it is. It's like that. Foundation are really good actually, Avon. So yeah, that is flawless cream to powder foundation in light ivory. I have a perfect brow cream gel pot in ash blonde. I have some little testers here. I've got the new Revertalist Infinite Effects night treatment cream. It's like an alternate thing. I think you do like one day, one the next. But there's like a little tester pouches there. I've got Advanced Techniques 360 Nourishment Moroccan Oil for your hair. And this is a tester of the Avon Silken Foundation with SPF 20 in medium bisque. I think that's actually quite an old one, but oh well, it's free. Then I also have here some jewellery. This is a Sephirina bracelet. I know a lady ordered it in gold, I think, and it came in silver, or the other way around, I can't remember. What's this one? Yeah, she ordered it in gold and it came in silver. So it's a little bracelet, and it looks, oops, and it looks like that. So that's really quite pretty. So I've got that. That comes in a little box. And then last but not least, I have this, which is a Wellbeing Sunrise alarm clock. So it's an alarm clock that I think wakes you up with a light. Yeah, it's like, I think it's supposed to make you wake up like in a better mood. Maybe I should have it. Maybe I should keep it for myself. Yeah, it just sort of wakes up with a slow light and makes the room lighter. So I mean, this time of year you probably wouldn't need it, but in the winter time, if you suffer with, you know, not liking the dark mornings, then something like that would wake you up nicely. So yeah, that's that. And all of these things are brand new. So if you want to win a little bundle of Avon goodies, then just leave, if you like the video, and then just leave a little comment down below with a way in which I can get in touch with you. So a Twitter handle or an Instagram handle. Then I will just randomly pick a winner and get in contact with you and send all these goodies to you in the post. So there was a little surprise at the end of the video, wasn't there? Okay, well I hope you like this video, and I'm chuffed that my office is looking far more neat and tidy, and I can actually get on with some work now. So I will see you in my next video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.